She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Arushi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is what I would like to call a nice therapeutic self-care video. Now Rakhi is right around the corner and I know how most of you girls like going to the parlor, pampering yourself, getting hair spas and facials done and just getting a nice glow up before such festivals. और क्वारंटीन की वजह से सैडली वो सब नहीं हो पा रहा एंड आई नो हाउ मोस्ट ऑफ यू माइट बी बम्ड आउट बट दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाई आई एम हियर विद दिस वीडियो. दिस इज बेसिकली an extreme quarantine glow up before Raksha Bandhan. So in this video I'm going to be doing simple self-care and just beauty things over here to myself because my hair is a mess right now. My skin is extremely dry and hates me right now. I'm practically a bear because इतने सारे बाल उग चुके हैं, मेरे eyebrows bushy है, my upper lip just let's not get where I'm coming from, but I'm sure most of you relate. And instead of going out and going to the parlors, you can just do all of this at home. So hopefully ये वीडियो आप लोगों को सबको हेल्प करेगा and if you guys are enjoying these uploads, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe and let me know what are your plans for Rakhi in the comments below. And without any further ado, let's now quickly get started. Alright, let's first just get done with the hair and then we'll move on to the main part, the skin. So for my hair, I'm just using and going the Desi way. I'm going to be using a hair oil and I'm quickly going to oil my hair. और उसके बाद I'm just going to be taking a lukewarm wet towel and I'll wrap it up in that. I'll tell you why. Basically, it just makes sure that your hair is steamed and that just moisturizes it a lot more and the oil goes deeper into your scalp. So yeah, let's first just oil our hair and then we'll move on to skincare. Alright, now that my hair care is in place, I'm quickly going to move on to my favorite part and I'm sure your favorite part as well, skincare. So pehle, I'm just going to get rid of the little makeup I have. I have some concealer, some foundation and for that I'm going to be using the Garnier Micellar Water, a normal nice micellar water to remove my makeup. So I'm quickly going to be doing that. I don't have much makeup on, I just have some concealer and a little bit of foundation and some waterproof mascara. And I think this just does the job really well to remove all the makeup. Okay, now that we are finally done with removing our makeup, let's move on to the next step of the glow up routine. Now is time for masking. I absolutely love masking and my skin definitely needs some pampering. So recently I went ahead and picked up some sheet mask क्योंकि बहुत टाइम हो चुका था यार मैंने sheet mask try नहीं किया इतने टाइम से and my skin definitely needs some hydration. So the ones that I picked up this time are from Garnier. Now I picked up few variants actually. So the first one is the black serum one. I got two of them. I also got two of the milky serum masks. This is for instant brightening. And I also picked up two eye masks. So मैंने कभी eye mask try नहीं किया है, so I'm super excited to try them. पर आज I'm gonna keep it simple and just use one sheet mask on my face. Okay, so the reason why I chose this and not some other mask is because my skin is in desperate need of some hydration. मैं आजकल बहुत late सो रही हूँ तो my skin is extremely tired and it's very dehydrated. And what's better than a sheet mask to get some hydration on your skin because sheet masks, as you guys know, are loaded with lots of serum and that's exactly what my skin needs. So out of both of these, I think I'm going to be using the black serum mask. This is the pure charcoal variant. This says it is purifying and hydrating and the reason I'm picking this up specifically today and for this routine is because this has black algae, charcoal and hyaluronic acid. So anything with charcoal I'm immediately sold, but this is hyaluronic acid which is extremely great to restore your skin with all sorts of moisture. So that's exactly why I'm going to be using this. So let's quickly get masking. mask has so much serum that I've actually rubbed the excess serum on my neck because my neck also needs the hydration. I'm quickly gonna start shaving my hands. I just use a normal shower gel and shave with a normal razor. So I love shaving every time I have a mask on just to pamper myself. Of course, getting rid of your body hair is a personal choice. I like doing it. It just makes me feel a lot more pampered and taken care of. You can also choose not to do it in your glow up routine. So soon after I was done shaving, I also wanted to pamper my body. So I quickly prepared a foot soak for my feet, in which I used some hot water, some foot soak powder and some shower gel. While my sheet mask was on, this was a great way to do a me time activity and relax. So after I was done shaving and with my mini pedicure party, it was quickly time to remove my sheet mask off my face. Something I absolutely love doing every time I put a sheet mask on is to massage its serum all over my face, especially under my eyes. This only helps the serum penetrate deep into your skin, which of course hydrates your skin, and we all know hydration is the key to dewy, glowy, festive skin. So before hopping into the shower, I'm also quickly going to shave like my upper lip and my unibrow. I just use a basic facial razor. Now the reason I'm not doing this in front of like my studio setup is because I'm not confident. So first I'm just going to quickly clean the thing, and because I already have serum on my face, I don't need an external moisturizer. I'm just going to start shaving. So I use this facial razor only on my upper lips and between my brows to get rid of my unibrow. Now this is just something I like doing because I feel like it makes me look a lot more groomed and a little better. So no way am I implying that you have to do this in your glow up routine or you have to get rid of facial hair. This is just my choice and something I like to do during my glow up routine. I however do not ever shave the whole of my face or even shape my brows because I feel like they're decently shaped. So मैं नहा के वापस आ चुकी हूँ and I can't even begin to tell you guys how happy and pampered my whole body is feeling. My hair, my skin, everything. I just feel so nice. Doing this glow up was an extremely nice idea, and I would totally recommend all of you guys to do this at home as well. Just pamper yourself. I think it's quarantine May, we need to pamper ourselves. We deserve this because we deserve this, okay? I'm just telling you, you deserve this. Please go and pamper yourself right now, today. So my hair feels extremely nice and soft. I would totally recommend कि आप लोग अपने बालों को जैसे मैंने किया था वैसे करो steam. That really helps. And my skin also feels extremely nice and so hydrated. Like मेरी skin इतने टाइम से इतनी dry थी. I'm so glad कि मैंने आज sheet mask करने का सोचा, and that I finally did a sheet mask after so long. I feel like my skin was longing for this. And the mask claims that it is like one mask equals like 1 week of hydration and serum, and I totally agree with that because even when I was applying the mask, there was so much excess serum that I could actually put all of that on my neck and my hands, and it was just a lot of serum. And also the serum feels very potent because my skin abhi bhi soft hai even after the shower. So a big thumbs up from my side to boost the hair care and the skin care, especially the mask. Big thumbs up. All of you guys should totally try this at home. Now I'm going to be doing the last step of my glow up routine, which is going to be my makeup. Like you guys can see, I'm wearing a kurti. Zyada glam nahi kar rahi, just a simple kurti at home, and I'm also going to be doing my makeup. So for my makeup, I'm going to be doing like cold rimmed eyes and like an Indian-ish look. I won't do a whole like in-depth कि मैं अपने makeup को कैसे करती हूँ. If you want, I can do a tutorial on that. And yeah, let's now go and do my makeup. Okay, so now we're actually quite done with the whole glow up routine. If you guys can see, my hair is extremely soft and my skin has no makeup at all right now, and you can see how much it's glowing. So now we're gonna go and do my makeup. I have my whole makeup vanity with me right now. But before that, of course, we need to prep our skin before the makeup. So because मैं Indian हूँ और हमारी आदत ही होती है कि हम हर चीज़ को एंड तक वसूल करें, मैं इसका जो एक्सेस सीरम है, like I have used the sheet mask. अब इस पैकेट में बहुत सारा सीरम आता है, so I'll just scoop some out with my hand, and yeah, I'll just scoop some out. You guys can see how much it is. Massage it between my hands and then on my face. So I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes for the serum to completely absorb into my skin, and then we'll move on to the last step, which is makeup. So for makeup, I just wanted to keep it extremely simple and Indian. So I just did some under eye concealing because I have huge dark circles. I put some foundation on my face as well for some blemishes I had here and there. I put loads and loads of blush because I absolutely love putting blush. And of course, I had to do cold rimmed eyes. I think kajal is the main essence of any Indian makeup look. After I was done with that, I quickly loaded on some mascara. And I put on a red bold lip. That is one of my favorite signature looks. And of course, I had to end it with a bindi. So that's exactly how I ended it with. And this is how my makeup turned out to be. So हमारा last step of this glow up is also finally done. My makeup is done and look at it. I love how my makeup looks. I love how I look. And I feel like मेरे before और after में बहुत सारा difference है. So that's also where we end this Raksha Bandhan glow up video. I'm done with my glow up. All the steps are done and my body and my skin and my hair, everything feels so nice. One product recommendation जो मैं आपको देना चाहूँगी is you guys should totally try these sheet masks out. I absolutely love whatever they did for my skin. My skin still feels hydrated. और मैंने अपने makeup के नीचे भी इसका serum लगाया and I feel like that made a significant difference. So yeah, I think मेरा before और after में काफ़ी difference है. Let me know how you guys think my makeup looks and how I look. And also do this at home. Give yourself a nice pampering session. Your family a nice pampering session and just have fun, you guys. Quarantine में हम बहुत घर पे रह चुके हैं. I think all of us need some pampering. And please do not go out. And with that, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to you and your family. आपकी और आपकी family को रक्षा बंधन की बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Please stay at home. Don't go out. Stay safe and stay happy. And with that being said, I shall see you guys next time. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.